tubatangirire abarozi baita ba Kitara TV, of course kialekya submit saa 11 the Kitara girls mwebaleyo hali mwebale muhikize emikono mwebale abagenze mu church. Of course tukwenda kubasiima abakyatugonza abakutuhondera abakutufollowinga abekeni batukaguza abakyuketa ehweri twakozere. Of course nyonka bantaro kathaka bamuraire ali nakabainamo ebimukwasiremu ko omuntu. Of course nkabulikiro omumaiso ganyu Mabara Vivian, CEO of Vivi's Collection, mbagenzi bange
Kathen kabulikiro Kathizi Alex mwana nywa Masindi
Alain mwikarani mumpabuza wake mukamera nyahukana na muri yo life bana bakani bampabuza mumpangorani ntabwake nyo mukamera nyahukana na muri yo life
kusinga people so many people are time bagambe kintu ko yahukana abutimanyire
wa kamera ino muri
social media yolo zeinaga kwikarani kwa hukaniza tibai na kumanya kiri muri yo life reka bajele befaningira
umuntu akwikiyoho
awe surprised ya
okay. So mubahulira Alena ni Kathe mwebale kuja program yenu nkwendo ikalao aba YouTube mwiruke mugende mwikala YouTube nibo twakatandika tuize nakahiyaka tuize nebyama hey inywe sinkwenda bakimutsinkure ensonga bakitagena kuwa chinga Shane kyali katubanze tukule ensiliza bakama baitu. Of course main sponsor wa Shane bamwita Kabalega Resort wa Imana Masindi tukusima muno mukuru emudu kuteka mu center na kugonza Kitara family or the Kitara girls. Kabalega Resort hoima ogisanga 4 kilometers na ruga hoima mu town amukono muhanda gwa Masindi amukono gwa buli obono kyaruga Maranatha Primary School obo kusaka kubahikira 0393 1936 1938 Kabalega Resort Masindi okubasanga 3 kilometers no kyaruga Masindi mu town no sanagenda Bigando still amukono gwa bulyo obo kusaka kubahikira 0392 900 Kabalega kyale tukolera mu garden ambanye Kabalega is so big like it's so wide hata nambe tukoleire abakusinga bakora bateka he mikoro yabo omujungi yakwesire functions of venue. It's a big space for venue, so oinayo mukoro oinayo wedding oinayo introduction tokwenda gikolero mwanyu ija Kabalega Resort okwenda kuhumuraho ija Kabalega Resort by the best rooms nkabagama mu ruge mu room zikaramu ebikuba itibana itimuhura muhuliye mwena paka nabombaze mu nyete mu muze. So by the best chefs around Bunyoro. They have the best buffet by all cuts of food. Kandi kwenda kusima buli muntu wena aikara na Antera Vivi kwenda tugenda Kabalega to booking ekiti. So you guys were really appreciate and we are really humbled. Abantu ba Masindi Bulisa hoima Kagadi hona na mbere mukali mwonge kusupporting Kabalega Resort hoima na Masindi. Kathe Allen tujukize sponsor ndi
tunawa Cubs juice mwana wobojogo nkabagambira buli kiromba gambira omwana wobojogo oinaye mikoro ekwahukana oinayo birthday oinayo introduction oinayo wedding obo oinayo mukoro gwona mukusa kumweta akora juices ezikwahukana fruit cutting kandi akola na deliveries around town. Aina juices ezikwahukana mango passion pineapple juice zone za buli mulingo shakes zona zina to ainaona ice cream ezikwauka na flavors. So Cubs juice ogo okusa kumsanga Central Market Haiguru oba enyuma ya Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom egyo building ege ya Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom okusa kumuterera M10 yaye ha 0781 438466 ha Airtel 0704 15 32 30. Muterero for all kinds of services, juice services.
Nkwongera kubayijukiza guno nugwo mwezi ogunyikara nimbagamba nkabagambira the Bunyoro UK balete the Bunyoro UK International Convention omwezi guno gwo kwa mukaga birabi na msanju mpaka 29 nyikara nimbayijukiza hati tuli mwezi guno gwenyini nkabagamba aliyo kunyumirwa haliyo kwimukia Bunyoro haliyo pata za buli type chonkanya gambo rubatana ka white umanyire bakagamba ali aka white party so rubata na ka white niko tabana nka old man out tugende tusagike Bunyoro abantu bona mwimuke twimuke Bunyoro bayira baguno omwezi gwenyini 27 mpaka 29.
Okay. Mbahuli mwebale mu burango babakama baitu. Mwebale mu mpanga mata bakuturora. Empange bayiregeta. Mboinege Museveni na President waitu wa Uganda. He was the chief or the guest of honor of that function. Actually mboinege posting a producer kasani. Omukuru aina omukama waitu no mukiara munda. omanyire mukama watu bina kachikamu he's a little bit weak so ngamba Museveni kwageni kimukarakata kugenda munda kurora omukama wa Bunyoro health wise alata ebintu bikora bita hati Museveni ijomba geni mpura mbageni following her story her Museveni naka speech Museveni again abazana gamba obuhangwa omuntu yakwesere culture so naitwe nka Kitarak family or the Kitarak girls tugire seneka topic today tubaze habuhangwa culture and modernity you understand so omanyire hati abantu nyongya kuhitinga both sides obuhangwa nize embere zitwasangire rona abanyine nkuru baitu like culture is twasangire abanyine nkuru baitu enyera bya yabo you know embera zabo habokuba gonna the days or gonna the years wasangaga omusajja aina bakazi nkabana
yego
ombakazi banabona omusajja na vimba buvimba kandi ati niyo culture yabo you understand so no sangangu banyina baitu banyine nkuru baitu bakakura mu extended families bakakudira mu polygamous marriages whereby mbu bakabaina peace and bakwatagana baitu mu this current era ituro polygamous marriage over extended families abana bakweninangana abakayangana bakwerogangana bakwikala ni betera tibakweyora maguru wewe kandi bangambira tauni hano bananje mukuyora malegi
okuboye mere inorugani babuyoro
kalegi toino kalegi my friend akachuchuwe bakayoyiregei so nyowe
twemero mwanya
nyonge atandika kulibatira mu munyonyi habo kuba nkubane kya stepping hansa bana nyuma bakini mukunda abakimukana ni munyora maguru
bagambira ro bakwasirega kule nyuma
bundi kubi kikimufati na nyowe bojo nyumundeke
kumuyoro bugere
bojo bagambe tinyinaho security ya maguru my friend so munyaganyire kandi ngena kora bya mwegali bati kamanze bagambira omuramoga kiyali tuanze to discussing habo kuba nyonko habuza habo waki emyaka yeira abakayibangana bayikaraga mu bumuni bakwatagana but bwire bunu nosanga kathe mukayibanyo Allen
na muromba
asindikira abalabe bamuyolera akaguru bakamutwalire bamufuna aka blouse you know ni mukuikara mu byoto mukutufuire minde kandi ngana kuturuke list anta kukali bafuwe minda town hano akwa bangambira so nye enko
bagambira halo
abaina
kasona yenda violence right murugezi gezi
tujafutanika kuraba muntu checkinga maino akagubira maino
ali mumini kandi haro abamu bangambira bali nakakodi bagena kandi basasura ne bafuira kwa maino gabo gasigala hanacho bana ni muleke bintu byokuroga muleke bintu byokuroga kandi nyoka ambagambire nyo Vivian one ame nyo no mukugama ngo mukusaka kuntera abantu 10 ndugaye murundi nintero mfafagana no mu and you can tell that I can testify
omanyire muina ku testifying weekend ho ire nyo testifying nyagamba
omwana baira ina abantu 10 wanu ameyone bateire
bona bateire
obanye kuteka kompola buli muntu kamusanga na mbere
akaiga no kwata kiao
ati nkole kikathe like honestly okutunura ensi yone kwenda Vivian kandi nyoba ina kambagambe mwebale kunkolera akasenta okuba bana yenye account yange kuzire
sponsor
mukotere mu connection empia kanyina abana bahiyaka Kampala okwo
nikyata kurugira Kampala
ngya Kampala straight era hano mukondora after shwe habo kuba munyolekeze mbuje timukunyenda abakunyenda bali abakunyeguya nka baby abakunfwaho baitha mwe bali kunkora ebirungi bana nyimu
mwarukire wena ka west kugambye
nyakugamba bana Kampala bakunfwaho kandi bano badahize ba Vivi bala hero kubaitha bana nya bali Canada abali Saudi Arabia abali Dubai abali Qatar you guys thank you for loving me so nkwenda kujukiza buli muntu wena obuhangwa tugaruke hanono abaganda bazite nono buli nyowe kakurani ndora nyine nkurunyowe tiyaguraga oburo obuyabuyaga mu musiri yabukwataga na busia but biro binu omuntu ayihoburo mu musiri na butwaranka hakioma grinding machine so nyomba ininsaba tugaruke habuhangwa bukona bukwetagisibwa teza amaju ofuna oburo bwawe obusie because this is a culture regardless imbu community kuhinduka oba ense hindukire but culture at the end of the day will always be a culture you understand so bantu nyaba kusiyo oburo mu machine mwegesa abana banyu magambe ngu abamukiye manyire abana banyu tibakumanyangu oburo kusaka kubufunira hali babuseira ekiyome kibakita manye kibakita bata emenge egyo noteza amajjo mu isiki n'osiya oburo niburuga mu kurungi butalina mu itaka lyona butalina mu yadde akabale koona n'obuteeka omu kalo omuntu n'abulya kurungi oba n'abunywa mu busera bayita bagamba ngu bino mugamba it is a civilized world oburo mukubuya mu musi direct ne mubutwara nka ne butwara akioma so nyomba ningamba culture at some point tunagibamu however modernity kwanguhya ebintu ate okubalamu amaani goteire mu energy akasente karo okora sente bodoli nkagero twale habukioma ebuyomba busi you understand so at some point
nanka takyalona space z'abantu era buli twabagaba bamama baitu bakakura baina space okusagamba kunu bakoserayo buro bakurayo so nowadays abantu baina mulingo bakura mama kagabu nibarora that is that
okay then inekindi tukakura culture yetu egamba omukazi ali supposed kuba hansi oba omukazi ali supposed kuba hansi wo musajja oba omukazi oba no sembereza obareki okulya oteza amajju you understand oba ro bayizira abanywani bayo bayizire family boigenzo bokigenzere mu mwina kuteza amajju nibo koleki obaramuki oba bahamaizi oba abagenyo bayizire no iruka no genda no guwangana mu kichumbiro abo kuba that was the culture from our grand you understand but biro bino teirera simu mulinka ADM I want to delivering efuna aba visitors you understand no sangambu modernity ina mulinge kwangu yamu ebintu however much culture ina mulingo kana yo yalindaga obuhango abaitu you understand
sisa nabano kusanga abaisika bakira tibakumanya kuchumba no wesangambu mukuzire habo kuba babayo habakozi habayiro osanga omukazi tamanye no kubobeza kitoko mukazi tamanye no kuhata kitoko tamanyire na mbu basembereza bato omuntu so no esangamba muiskala hamanyire nja kuswerwa kusanga go muiska swerwa ayino mukoza inaki of course bikubao baito no sanga omuntu takumanya no kuchumba
so obuhangwa kintu kikuru abazaire mwegese abana banyo obuhangwa omwana no bagenda America omwana no bagenda Kampala no bagenda musiza aheru baitu culture ina kumubamu enono ina kumubamu amanyengu omuisiki obo chumba oteza amaju omugenyo bwayija olisabuzi kumuramu kyoteza amaju obo ofuna omuntu weno omukuru olisabuzi kumuteza amaju notimbo hello good evening good afternoon oyemere nko omuti gwesimu hi you know
what's up
you know so because mbo abokuba modernity ere hindure buli kimu kiona timu kwenda mulojune kweteza amaju mujine ku respecting abantu kandi by the nyo ekintu kinyagenda ga culture buli tuwasangaga abantu like oba nibenena biro bino abantu bakwenena muno mukurwana munentaro banenyu like biro bino mukwenda muno ku hijacking ebitako bakuwata mukugwa mu mbyezi salizanyi you understand no wabuli wasanga mwana wananka ogo mwana wananka ge family nyondi mwana wananka nyondi mwana wananka nyine kurunyara kihurata isenyara kihurata
biro bino abantu tibakumanya genda kuyabo baita lobo inaga kubaho no manye naku yabo enaku yawe hati nyalo ebintu bindora ningabe nutinko bisobora ni manye naku yawe ni manyambu
no
wewe
kate
bahone kiyokanga
manyalo kangira
ndakirwanire naku yange ningijuka iki abantu kibata kwijiko maye bagenda gani bayija mu town ni baye excited baba na peer pressure kandi obo tuba mu mbera zaitu zo waitu obayo wenka
omu
mbera yawo giba mu wenka mu nju yawe so abantu muleke muno kugendera peer pressure no sanga abo kuba muri ki group obaba alohe kintu kyona bakutwara wenka
omu
no igano rugwamu
twikege mu bintu binu tumanye naku yabo personally enaku njange nyongi manyire munale ebintu abamningamba wewe
bino tinko bigiyamu
oti Grace arabisobora mukazi waitu
ko ikalo teka
kara ninteka
nyomba nyenda ndo wano rutaro ndutule abo kubamba ndutandike ni manyanga kufafagana na rondo tule
atala ababitaha mu bebere naku yabo nko kugambe batakumanya
ngabo kubango obaba mukirenga abo kwa vivikino
anta atekizibo bwakurora nanka ngunanyoka nyeteranze na nanka to hatinge babiri kietegereza so akintu ekunyonya ndibaininga mantingu enseta ina obuhangwa esana nko omuti gutaina emizi
yoma
ntingu obuhangwa buno butudefininga who we are tuli tutankanko karora hano mu Bunyoro omukazi atakagenzere ku cyumba omwayiba eira buli basokaga nibete family y'omwojo bano mwisiki nibabibaza ebintu eyo baitu burobinu mu kwetwara okuhimbe baga ya mu kwesweza okuhimbe baga yawe nogena kuroro musajja nolemerayo
buli bagamba go mwana rabingiza
abazere tibakumanya na halodi bakumanya oliyo ku mtauno okora kumbo kaswera
obo bozairo oliyo kotokwe nabawanyi bakengengo kazana
okay tegeze kintu ntingo obuhangwa tukaburugaho eira buli bagamba ntingo omwisiki atakagenze mu musajja basokaga nibamutwara samoya no musajja nibamubyamya suka ya white ngwe kikurugamu baba bigamaga bitawo
nike kikuoleka mbono
ayikuswera okay exactly abaire muntu murungi abaire muntu murungi abaire
twesiga nanka tomato sauce ira habeira
abajungu bakozera obujuma obo by the way nkabirora medi yawo abajungu babukozera obujuma obwa virginity
wagonze hati halono obutibu
no
atalo mufunza ka
duli angambe ebintu bino bigira mu experience wa hakana
halo
atiwe ka general retired ebintu
akaba kati oboka ngamba munaba customer bange kateke dakika 2 atiwe kiyokora kateke dakika 2 nuko mwarana agayo ahuli
nijuka no tunyumiza customer yabaye yatekero kiyo atakusa kusensa nabeke nanya ba customer following against
ntibagambira obujuma bwo kubuteka yokageno mukikoru ekyo hasukani haja omusayi gwenyini abajungu niko bagamenka birora medi yawo oketegereze kintu ekyo so tugarukira abuhangwa bwaitu
ebafu
akasuka
akataitena
okibafu kigena ni boje kibafu ekyo nakyo
bayo antrinyi
nyoba ibange bantinywe kibafu ekyo nakyo tikibaki rungi nabeke akanta akatuli story kagame mbu wewe national wote baire nebura baitu kulo mwana akialire baitu kenda kulo omuntu akudikira abudikira abuzira
bana batawa takabaire nokuzalaho
chonka mwana iwe ebafu
anti bakoraga mu abortions
ebafu kubaga nyingi bojo bana nye mu
ngamba ebyome bekukana babachimita mu irwaro ni babachimita mu irwaro ebyome ebyo omanye bana tebakwenda kuzala gamba we are still younger you old
nguti bakwenda kubonabona n'abana
tibakwenda kwa single mothers bakwenda kuzala and they claiming ngo because bakazaraga
ha point egyo kwenda kukujukiza abantu nyo wenta muntu arore bintu nindora burora baitu my senses norora that it's not necessary abantu biro bine kintu kiyokuboza iroho bakifoire kijumo
nsonga nkuru muno
ntogwo single mother kazaraho bojo bantinyo tikikyali kijumo who is not proud to be a mother bantinyo abantu out there abayisiki bakwekolera sente zabo girls are proud to have their kids chonka abantu oko bakurugayo nakifora kijumo
kana bakubajuma abo nibabakora abortions after abortions
abo batuiho ba single mother you guys abantu nyowe personally I grew up with a single mother and by the way nyowe nkuzire mu family eyimbo ineni ba succeedinga with or without men nkuzire personally tingenda gamba mbu nkuzire when I don't have a father at a young age afire tingenda gamba kande kawa bakankoraki so nkuzire ni nyina mama wanga ali single mother okura aina abanywani be bali ba single mothers baitu bona batwihamu kurungi but mu bucheke babo batwikya hatuli nabo it's not it bantinywe tikina kuba kijumo chonka abantu bakifoire kijumo olina ogwa kazara ogwo na kutugamba kiya zaidi so bantinywe would you want people to just be there doing an abortion
all the time
bajja kwikobera bokuzara omwana aleme
kazara bantinywe
no atiba manyire when you give birth you old that's what they think so they age our age
baitu Vivian nkugambira nyoti nkumanye kigeno maisa town hano aba single mother kaniboni basinga kunyirira nabakwe fora tibakazairo
wabale
muno babakiza
okimanyira ntingu nabanyi nababo bakubasinga kunyirira
mali mu
what is going on here in town
no
and another thing nkwenda kuijukiza abantu that haleho ebijjumo ebitakyakora makulu. You're not going to start abusing someone
There is nothing. Me you call
nabandi bakwemera gani bajuma bandi ogwo mwiskata mukuru ogwo you people let's not make age as an abuse.
But even growing.
I just want to tell people iwe orabo ine myaka 18 I don't pray for you kubi chonkamba ininsaba otarugaho
Wikala.
and you know what it means that
myaka
oinakufa nubotongeraho ki emyaka. So bantinyo in all your fights, in all your what muleke kujuma ba single mothers. You people, most of you oboli musaijo obabiki, most of you mukuliziwe ba single mothers in that even nabazaire banyu baliyo batafire kandi mwakura. It shouldn't be an abuse.
Itwena tukakura
Let's continue
tukakulizwa
motivating each other. Okasango mukazi akubonabona na abano baba ibakafa. Stop putting them in depression ola kejuki abwaki ya zaire. Kandi ogenda gakwesanga nti ogwaku kujuma abana be akabanaga mu kyaro ko yajja mu town yagamba wetakazara.
Okay,
obafu notazihambulikiro
bali abana baliyo mukabanaga mu kyaro ko bakubonabona abana tibakusoma abana tibakulya mukabanaga kunu mu kyaro. Nyo there is a woman I know nkagenda nokwesanga yagambaga nyongira kana kagenda kwesanga gira abana basatu
bojo baba ina abana
so no genda kwesanga
abazikiro nibo bayingi
no genda kwesanga by the way kino nkigamba bakazi mwehaho nemigisa yo muntu aleja kuyamba okwefora tukazara huga kandi omuntu no wehawo mugisoli yakuyambira kaya yakana kawe mu kyaro akakateka mu isomera kabaire nkata kusoma. So you speak out and you say what ngira yo mwana mulekege kusereka abana. Let's not start abusing each other. Ogwa kazara ogwa tazara ogwa kazara ogwa tazara. It shouldn't be an abuse. Kino nkugamba bugama nko muntu like it or not iwo barano rambuti kikukolera it's okay but muleke kujumanga nebe bintu manyono single mother ona kazara
ona biki no ba kujuma at the end of the day who brings food on your table.
No, it's not making that let's not make it a fight mbo haya zairo
people always do what they want. People always speak what they feel like speaking. You're not going to stop anyone from speaking what she or he wants.
But jabanti mwana kanyuma obanyowa I'm just obsessed with me like
no. So in recess also want kids kuyaba kwebuza because they've done a lot of abortion. They've done a lot of evil things. And to an extent their cervix cannot even carry a kid.
Exactly. So baja kwiko obira bokuzara batakena nabana. So maragani nkiabaza point ya culture yaitu. So airabuli obiro bikuru byahikaga Easter, Christmas, New Year, ebintu nkebe. Itwana twayehimbaga nitugenda omukyaro, nitugatharinga kusenye enku kukoraki obwiro baze.
Buli nabayi no mulimo gwe.
Baitu burobino okugenda omukyaro kyo omwanya ohulira liyombo rufu. Nikage kutwara yi. Mwaka gona tokagenda go omwanya tokwenda kumanya. Okyetegereze.
Abo bakugara ofire.
Nekyo nakyo. Bazara batu bamanyalo ta. Oka baja bantu enyi. So ngama tugarukamira nanka yetwenu okay I understand emirimo etuswaire okay fine but at least find the time go visit your people, go visit your village, go visit your what abakuba nemigisa sometimes esangwa omukana mbere tuzarwa mubazaire baitu mubanyine nkuru baitu mubayise nkuru baitu sometimes emigisa yetu ni tekulina sometimes emigisa yetu ni heta in our ancestors kinu nkibaza ntena muno kutina but that is the reality. So bokubona girizo omwanyu ngutokwenda kumanya oli hatauni ekikake omwanyu kakigaza mtauno omwanyu tokwenda kumanya there is a question mark there where nti oli supposed kwegarukamu kani nekintu ekindi muhangwa baitu tugia celebrations zikwa ukana nizo ezitu defining who we are. Nka for example abasiramu engeri bagira idi itwe imanya Christmas obaki na abahindi nabo engeri bagira oba moon oba what so omu function zeze zikwa ukana tuba munenjwara okyetegereza tuine empango for example of course tojageno mu mpango jwaire empali obe mini oba ya dictator ya deki oli suppose kugenda yo jwaire omwenagiro toli
Yes.
suppose nogenda kuba ojwaireyo ne gomasi mu mpango bajwala gomasi mali
suppose kuba
Emyenagiro.
emyenagiro strict gomasi stars abaganda
Exactly.
ziza abanyoro hata okujwala gomasi okajja empango tolesere
Toli
kalicho
munyoro,
yaitu
ey'abanyoro.
that means oli muganda aizire representing abaganda
Exactly.
you understand so yitwe nko munyoro ole entitled kujwala omwenagiro you
kandi
understand
traditional way yaita abana Uganda bulobinu nkurora gaba na Uganda bakira bakolesaga Nigerian way on their introduction tukubirora internet aho ntingo muramo
zikarugaho ira
tugurugireho
Ira
kimu
myaka yadi.
bantu batita bakujwara egomaso
atamanyire
baki
ogwaba Nigeria abana gubayihaye emibiri atoli natekereza kujwara
bajwalira mwaka bina
mumunanka Nigerian way azeze
Bajwalira mu
iwo
bubina.
muntu nobora ajwara kabina mu mwenagiro
tikagya kuzoka
atoli
exactly
nagamba kakozese Nigerian
Nabo-
Obwoma-
nabo mukwenda mazo timu ejwala kabina boje
atiti nigo mazimu naba Nigeria
Lero
bonka
kandi
bakujwara
tufunire
era ororo omuntu bwabajwara kabino mwetegereza ina shape akada kona kagwire yombe kati no sagamba
kangino
kasoka
konkanga
it is true
vampairege list ya akulia kujwara bubina muhoyi mamoni
Much.
hati mwisikio manze kurabya mwegali
akujwara manyo
kabina
baketa kabina
ejo kathono nawe
akajwara bujwara
akole
akwejwalira kabina but
Wejwalire kabina
nyowe
kawe.
besiki bakunyumira fake kabina fake buli kimu kyonko kwenda musajja atali fake
takurora
fake buli kimu kyono okifake ngira buli kimu kyono
namani ogajwaire
buli kimu kyono
Wow.
kujuliza nokujwala by the way aliye bizire byakoiro abanyahoima banu tibakabikengere kurungi haliye entumbwe
iyo
biri
kujwara
Kampala okwo
Okudu.
ekisambi dora mati mwikaranga
nokijwalya mu
Yeah.
jean nokijwalya mu normal
Anti takurora
dress
nge kulimitinga short
dress.
way.
okugenda nibapima omubiri gwawe your skin color nogijwara
Lero wewe
anyway ni
Nyati
byo
mukabikengere.
bizire nka modernity
mukwikaranga
modernity
hayi
niyo
Baita
erese.
tukulora nyongamba muno ngamba muno abantu omanyire sometimes otina atinga hakaija surgeries genda bakakwiha mu
BBL.
fats bike ebintu ebyo byotakumanya mbora rugaruka oli muomezi leka abaisiki bajwala manyo gabo bubina bwabo
bata
babujwale nebyentumbwe babijwale because ogenda kwesanga olagenzere kumukora entumbwe urundi something has happened mubabwoine abatagarukira fiire so bwakuba nasobora genda akagura kabina mitwale 2 kichweka mitwale 5 aizire no bwana nka silicone
baita
Nikoba,
okujwara
basanga
obwa
kaki
silicone bwe mitwaro kinana nanyenyeza kimu
okujwara
okura.
kaki
no leka buli omaino bugabe because I bet
antaino obugabe
Kino
but I
mkigamba,
don't see a
I bet all
reason
of us here are putting on bras
because we are lifting our boobs
they're also lifting their bums
which is okay
they
let
come
them
up
do whatever they are
let
doing
them do whatever
because this
they
is what
want.
modernity has brought to the public you understand
so butugaruka embuli bwobuhangwa twina kuba tutaina na bitujwaire I don't think even I would be having lipstick over I
the
would have
wig.
done my eyebrows and the wig. So if we talk about being fake, it's not even all about the bums. We are putting on wigs, we are doing nails,
Lipstick,
we are doing
lashes.
kwesiga kalipa mutu dubuira matu tukozereki. So buli omwena amanyire ekimu for a fake mbomezi we. That aloha genda agamba.
aro ababihinguraniza
abali too much
It's okay, okuhinguraniza it's fine, but it all comes to being fake.
okay
So
nabihinguraniza nogambo onu
obunku banjoire wigi yange ola kagamba nyoti ewigi tingi agijwara ngia kujwara kabina na waino bugabebwe so buli omu iwe niwo okumanya bokuba noenda kuba nacho taine kiyoteiro it's up to you abana leka bakole bibakwenda obubina tujja kubujwara nyo in fact mundirecting hangura kabina ngende nkagule nkongeroho omanyire
nkange kusa
tani kwa kubuleta orode ebibero nyinabyo katika nyongeroho
mulire kasi
hips ziroho nyongeroho
baita aroho unyabwoine kali haikuragara kuja tubibasike mburagara
mbakuba mundi muri hanya
abana
kandi
bari murani mu bijwara mube consistent yoki nukusanga ukaina nyika
anti baina kogia
bagule bwingi kandi leka mugambire baliyo abayisika baino bubina bwabo
abana embyo zigwa mezo bubina
no banti nyokurora no hata kurora abantu obwizire buli silicon bwinake ekihuru
Owagira sakana abaza ijwezo bwa Chinatown abana baina bomera bwa Chinatown
bwizire alobu bino bwizire mu town mbuno buhyaka
Really?
buhyaka bwino mulingo obukuba okumurora ali muleginga kuguruka busaki kwenye
Chokusana
so hati buli omuntu wamanyire kyakoraki ati
Kyakora.
aleni aigenze yongeraho weight nyamutege pin ngenze kura mbayimanyira jwaire
Ale na ikara nacho.
ati kingamba
Nyawe bantu nyekamba gambire
kurora alena gambe
na kujora gakabina.
agya kumanya linomo abakuba mumirige kumachinga agambe nyoti ngenda kufuna omubiro gwe kangene nkoleki
Ngula kabam.
nuwa kumanya
agemugene mu gym
gonza tali
Ejime ekora buli kimu kyona ky'okwenda.
kukore kyokwenda personally nyo wenta kafulu kutunda ebintu bya fake like ebyabantu kozesa
kandi mubaro ko kaba kamera bainengeri bakuzuminga mugo bumino bobona kamukali haigura kamukali hansi deka babazoominga
okwesanga nyo nkutunda wig nkutunda manya earring nkutunda lashes nkutunda ebintu ebikora kabina I'm not going to come here nkabaliriza koraki
akajwa abakuba kwano ita business yawe you know
nyoti nkutunda kabina but ngamba if you're trying to be fake obo kwenda kuba fake ota obo kwenda okutunda ebintu byona mbitunda baite ekinta kutunda nko kabina ati ngyagamba nanka antwale hababutunda mayeba nabasubuzi bengoye bamanyira abatunda mu binogo nabo mbusubule mbulete muntu ejemu akathe ogula kabina ogule buli kimu kiyono kure gwigo rugegijwaire so buli omaino bugabe bwe nabasajja bakujwara gebifuba
abo tumamanyira
nogenda kwika mu kitabu
town munu balimu
yes dera ko mungambira kanjya
Julia na kifuba
na kwate tatu na gijwara kuruga hano mpaka na roho nyabwene mu mpango jeskana ta celeba town hano
lugana aleke zire kiriyo bojo kinu kankibagambe nibo kyaturuka
tinka kitenge
waya za artificial oli na giteka unajware sweater pant yoba mbagambira mazima akwata na giongereza nko kukwate socks ukagijweke akantu kawo kikananka kurungi then ukajware sweater pant ebintu ebiri fake
abana kabali serious
ebintu biri leka buli omakole kyakwe
okay tangu bana abana
kubajukanyawe ebintu ebenyikani mbigogoli ngamlingo ntunda ebintu ebikuleta kabina ebintu ebikora ke breast farming wow ebo ngiabire kabisa ya kanto meza abokuba nyamsajja ta musururu moja
obwakusubura Julius novura Julius kanaga mozi subule
anyonta proud na tukikenta
ego bati bamuhaisa abana bamuhaisa
omule Julius
abana bamuhaisa Julius
yerogo
baikala ni bamurwanira ko mundo ko mundo ni barwana boti bajja social media
omunyanyanyo
ebyo togamba nabekene waba kujwara ebintu byanye biri fake whatever you're doing nyabo kuba nkugambira biro bino togenda kujuma mbu nankajwaire wigeri like ajwaire something mba
ati
lashes Viviana joire lashes nteire henon okura so it's something very
araba kubihinguririza no gambo
mwana ewo kusanga no robo
is this a doll or what
I know
very well
tukwenda kusima abakiaturora abakiaroho mwebale kutuwatchinga mwebale kutuhondera otaruga hano leka tumaze tufuna yakiyokula ku Kabalega Resort bana inyu part 2 mbagamanya na kusabura abantu mbaga iwo rano ina kumanya onge na kusabura mbaliza loha nkubaza kahia sigara hano leka tugaruke.
Discover your home away from home at Kabalega Resorts, Hoima. Located just 4 kilometers from Hoima City on the Hoima-Masindi Road. A real resort in an eco-environment. Nestled near the stunning Albertine Escarpment and historic Mparo Royal Tombs. We are the perfect blend of convenience and charm. Treat yourself to our cozy rooms, mouth-watering meals at the restaurant, and refreshing moments in our outdoor pool. Whether you're here for business or leisure, our conference facilities, camping grounds, and fun-filled kids' playground are ready for you. Escape, relax, reconnect at Kabalega Resorts. Hoima, your adventure starts with us. Book today.
mwebaleyo nkwenda kusiima buli akyaturura mwebale mu kuhumura kutubaireho ko tukuruga kuli ya buffet Akabalega Resort Hoima hamitwale 3 you get yourself buffet with a soft drink. So nkwenda kusiima bakyaturura bananye mwebale kutole kyengonzi mwebale kutugonza mwebale kufollowing ataka subscribing bayiraba making sure YouTube bao subscribing ile haita TikTok nkabagamba ebintu byogenda gane mukoro rugamu ni murobu obclip Julius Bwatayiswe mutaboine story ne rugire nka rushing a YouTube role story enu emboze netandikire nka otherwise bine bitu kale mubamira abantu kabibahakanye so katubanze tukolehe ensimbiza bakama bayito of course bulikiro Kabalega Resort Hoima na Masindi Kabalega Resort Hoima ogisanga 4 kilometers n'oruga Hoima town no ija Masindi Road hamukono gwa gobulyo no kyaruga Hamaranatha Primary School oba kusako bahikira 0393 193860 Kabalega Resort Masindi okusako bahikira 3 kilometers n'oruga Masindi town no genda Bigando still amukono gwa gobulyo jakwana radio signpost enkoto kusako bahikira ha number 0392 900 bateroho okwenda kuhumuraho okwenda kulya okwenda kufuna oyina kapate ko kwenda koraho oyina hiyo conferences muinayo meetings muinayo embaga muinayo mikoro muine kyo kwenda kina kuhabuza iwe tera buteresimu inamba zinkusomerege ya Masindi ne ya Hoima oba habuza kintu kiona they always be available to attend to you so Kabalega Resort tukusima muno tutana mbere tukangira webale muno kutahuliza bigambo by'abantu webale muno kugonza the Kitara Girls and we shall always be grateful Mr. MD
Nkongera kubajukiza bintu bya Cabs Juice binu muleke kubigayalirira inye mumanyire juice ekiyekora mbomezi bwange mukurora skin
I know kagilowinga
mukurora nacho skin eno aroha yangambire mbunyonyi karaha nachabo kubanta achipa iyo manye ku maintaining skin eno omanyire juice zo kunywa bulikiro different shakes
ala sumusi bulikiro
kabza
ku delivering akasumusi
bulikiro kano bakelita kana kelita kana katito kana kelite
akatindo mutwara
akatukira kujana kako bulikiro na delivering kwa gambe bintu
lero wewe abatunda
anywa nabagenzi baye muningo bakora hamu
anyabite bikwatagene kweteka mu sente ebyo nyima ejuice yange nginywa nyenka
so mukodo
life is expensive bantu inyo ku maintaining coping is good but maintaining it is not easy bukodo bwekika omusajja kangamba mbege mukodo kwegamba tabayo muntu wena tauna akunyisana
kaloli wenka
me alone ketegeze kintu
okauleka ko muntu
exactly so bintu bya Cabs Juice mu biteke mu amani bokubola otoina mani toina akoraki mbahereze namba yesimu
baine itima baine ihali
mbahereze namba yesimu ya MTN 0781438466 Airtel 0704153230 otaka genzera kusikura utara town hano
Naka
ice cream
agenda gameze kisaragazo bantumire
niko genda kusikura oina amani otagenda kusikura okamara ukakutuka
kasebanzo
omusaye gukuhoyere mu amaizi
ogenda kugwa kandi abamu bacheke balamibazi
exactly
ate tugenda tubasabula ni mugwa ni mukwekwasa
alahagwiro wakasabwi alo batwerege
banzo bajukize bunyo kitaka convention n'imiza kasoro
kwagara ko bayijukiza Bunyoro UK ebaleteza Bunyoro UK International Convention nkaragani imbagamba bogeri kwa mukaga tuyikiremu eri mu mukaga omwezi gunu gwonyini gutulimu 2007 mpaka 2009 bojo banti nyo mugende muhagire nkonyikara nimba gamba bojo tutaswara bojo muoleke amani gange bulikiro nyikanimba ijukiza bojo muijuke omwezi gunu 2007 mpaka 2009 aliyo kunyumira na kantu kanu ka bonus libata na ka white
nikota zoka old man out
manyo bagenda ne babafora old man out mbakukwataka video no isana kundi no gamba mbakule
bakunovera
kandi bintu ntaga nimbi bayijukiza nabwe akantu ka white ako karubate nako baka t-shirt obaka kibaitu kali white
okay of course tubagenda tukiyabaza habuhangwa no modernity bana yenyo kamanzi nsabule mukati tomanye mwende bigagiri hati nkona kuhabuza buli muntu akuturura hano inya bakutanika kunsikura hentaro mukwani muro wanyu mukaki wanyu ko mwinaye mutakunyisana haba kini munyimukirawo ne nyonku hunira ne mpunu zikumbaba mukirawo ne mpunyera zikumbaba mukirawo ne wakame zikumbaba mukirawo ne waizikwe so ne onyo boko yemera miro karora okuyiwa kutekeza mbo kusakura na okarutura nyo utanike utara linyo nikiyo kula nyomba gambirege nkudiringa I'm one woman's army I'm a very bold woman nikiyo kulora nkukatura omu nikasuka kali katura omu ninkasuka gahali murategeza ngo mugenda kuba kiyaru kiona you know this city of yours is fucking small. This is a small city. So mutatekeza mbunye mukona kukuza bakaunti wanyu mukona kunyakira even the pigs you have a dose of kumanyira nyu you pigs you are where you are because of me you know kandi nyeki kusinga no komponeriza inywena mulingo mukali at least buli muntu nambera kali ainekia ina ho mubomezi bwe because of Vivian habu waki inyo timukura ngo guiltiness okubayita timukura ngo nambe muikalire ntebeze muikalire mumbu zikuboki ambu
Vivian
akantu kanu Vivian etaile no Vivian wallpaper no Vivian timukura ni muswara like honestly bantu inyo habu akini mwehwebura kandi nyo nja kubaswaza nja kubajuma bana inywe tubantu bazomanyire muramaga nugukaruga hari president wa ihangali yaitu nagamba obuhangwa culture abantu buli bali magebicholi ebihimba emihogo biro binu abantu timukiyali ya bihimba timukiyali ya mihogo muri ha junk foods
chips
fries,
chicken
kwegamba ebihimba buli nkakura nimpura nibagamba tindira bichuzi bya choloko bana nyikuze kuika up to date tinkaraga choloko
manya
tingi manyire batu mpurenge gira supu ya black is it black tinkagiriyaga actually tinkagiraga adino sangangu tukuze na mu generation yaitu hare bintu ebitaliro bitamanyire byo tuhurambo
agambege kimuhangayize tali ebyo kulya byabajungu
junk foods those are junk foods macaroni spaghettis manya obutakuli at least obutakuli kwa top tekemo ekinyobwa obo kipoli bite wo kubwenda buli deep fried ekisimisimi you understand so nyongamba obuhangwa bukwetagisa at some point however much na modernity nayo tugiyetaga baitu nyobo kuba ni ndora obuhanga nabo tububemu bantu nye twange tuyikirize obuhangwa tukubwetaga at some point for example mbagambirege buli twasiyaga oburoha mengo na nosanga I think nosanga mbu okuchumba buli tu abanyina baitu bachumbiraga hanku oba baisenkuru baitu baitu biro binu obokurambo atukole eno notokwenda kukwata mu kutokwenda kwata makara gas kukana ijane kusimplifyinga bintu so nosanga at some point modernity ogiyetaga somehow somewhere you understand buli nyowe nka nyaraganye isenkuru nyowe akaba wabugamba ekiro omanye bali agamu nakaro ekiro baina ensekuru era I bet you guys families zinga mu bunyoro muno ezina ensekuru ensekuru nosanga mbu okuhonda ekinyobwa oba okusa kuhonda omuhogo gwa ukaihamu obusana
yego
nyikaira have taken so long buli wakuragani buli rwebagi wakuragani bahonda kulu
siyana nehunda
du buli muntu gamba abo bakutekanza kiya rwebagi barayigenda kulya barayi kuhotora atitwe ngabana bane wahuraga bane gamba ati mukata kahisize byokuli kanje nyiruke ngende mbane bani hondi abakwanku mpule ni bahonda bagena kekeya no sangare families bwire bune zitwina mutauni muno tibaina nkekeya tibaina sekuru tibaina namberi basero boburo tibaina amahiga agokuteka mwenku
era buli bachumbiraga nombunago
yes obunaga akanaga mama akagira bachumbira mu mukubi
bona
guboya akaboyo kali no gamba omayekuli akasupu kono no huraka kuraba amumiro hano baitu ensekuru zo I take long to see them enkekeya you understand biro bine bintu hata modernity ne kuiza gamba obiro komaze no honda emihogo ko twala ke grinding machine koleki
ekuyambe
obiro komazire no gamba ko kekeye machine kitera ne kekeya dakika obusano babuli ready you understand
machine bayinabo ngo
yes you understand buli abantu basengeje gakatuna nakamura mukasengejo kenyini baitu biro bino blender dakika shwe akajusi kali ready katera mu nanka mu fridge so at some point obu
no nanka bukajejo eri just
obusengeje
bakwesa kwa bugoye
really ate obunyonta burole karo obusengeje
obugoye obutimba bakozesaga
nibakamura
nibamiga
nibatakama katunda na sukale okay so ati biro bine enseka hindukira kimu twina abana mimi actually I don't even think my boys bamanyire ensekuru bamanyire nkekeya bamanyire ogwo hali baseera karo bagweta bati emengo so obukama bw'obunyoro tuba ntusaba ebintu bino mubiteekeho bibenka a tourist place for the bunyoro for our own culture and n'abaana baitu n'abajjukulu baitu bakule bamanyire mbu mama wange nkahura na nyumi story eno niye menge baserawo ga karo guno eno niye nsekule bahondra muge ebinyobo oba omuhogo eno niye nkeke yakeke yagensano you understand then kwikala munovu leka abantu babe modernity yabo but ebine ebintu nk'obukama mwekole mu omulimo mubiteeke haha abantu bamanye mbu identity yange ndi munyoro nsi akaro nteiza amaju identity yange ndi munyoro ndi akaro abamu culture kiye hotora akaro ateiza amaju
abantu bamanya na staple food zabo by the way
you exactly
abanyoro benyine
niba hotora akaro ateiza amaju
oiro burobino
nkasemba ndikulora mukazi nachumba ateiza amaju ba9 it has been actually it must I don't even think I've ever seen one kuyanko bokubira social media oba no bihura mbu itwe buli twachumbaga karon tunanka kandi nyonka nkahurawo nyina nyona agamba mbu bo babaga balinka abantu bakuru omwana mutoti yagendaga mu bantu bakuru mwayikaraga kuno baitu biro bina abana timuina ngeso abazaire abana mubanicharingire mu modernity wembu tebaku respectinga no abanywani baba like for example you might have visitors at your place baite ebyana byakwikala nibyandaramu nibibyetorora nibibetorora why abana tubegese engeso ata obwe hango bukwetagisibwa abana omwana weira obwaroro mugenya iziro abanywani baba izo bantu bakuru nambere bali bakuhanura tajja kugenda baite abana babiro bino dakika yesazire mu iragenzere because
na wakutesa
yes tituinaki obuhangwa buli abana baitu bateire mu character egyo you understand tukubaleka abana bakule fwa however much trying so much hard okuramba abana tubatere efforts ngu obuhanga tukubuteka bano osanga ngo haliye miswasagule y'abana okusanga tibaina omuntu omukuru abalize okukyomera okugamba nawe ngo
na wakuolekereza kara
dakika kurabize mugana irempi you understand
ati baba teraga social media utobaroraga
so no sangambo hate ekyo kikwita culture yaitu abakwanga bana bagenda ni bare movies ngo omwana achapire nyina mu film
omukaisa mubambu
nagamba na I can slap my mother you understand because of the modernity and what kids are growing while watching and seeing so no sanga at some point he grows with it in his IQ like I can slap my mother I can respect my parents you understand abana abazaire nyonku basaba nabakwana nyondi muzaire tuwege kulimiting abana programs ezimu ha TV abana omukusanga omwana ali mu P5 omuhaira smartphone hala TikTok agenda kuwatching videos za TikTok ezitaina mu amagezi ezitaina mu yade kabuntu you understand so no mwana at his little age aine ebintu ebyakora nayo no muzaino kwata hamuno no gamba mwana kabiyegiranka okumulekera TV nara all the programs you understand so abazaire nkubasaba leka bobe bujunanizibwa bwaitu okulimiting abana baitu there are certain programs abana zibaina kora at nyo like my boys by watching a Nickelodeon Jim Jam I don't know
but in short about that parental guidance
yes when it comes to the social media and this modernity world let's not allow our kids to be driven by the modernity world by the social media handles and all this because social media is spoiling our kids it's really affecting our kids' mental health and growth the kid is growing knowing like I've seen someone kiss someone like this so this kid will go in that school and try to do it out like to do experiment you understand so you find your kid at a little age is doing something you didn't even expect him or her to do it you understand so yes no horoti you understand
tonka togenda kusanga omwana mu myaka 13 ahirepingire grandmother
yes because abazaire tibakwenda ku guiding abana on what they're supposed to watch on what they're not supposed to watch bakubaleka free omanyikuleka nkobogamba olekere animal area on free range akabalenga yona yetoleta yayi so mwana kwa manyire nkuhindura ningenda Telemundo nkuhindura ningenda and there's a channels ezimu zirimu ebintu zinemu movies ziri so dangerous you understand so abazaire buli muntu nambero buli muzaire nambero kali obo ino mwana wa nyakanyu oino mwana wawe oino mwana wa mwene wanyu mwana wa neighbor limit limit these kids on what to watch. So give them specific programs, give them specific channels to watch. Niko kiyamba omwana wawe munkura ye baito bogamba ngo omwana owanga abana ba watching programs zona abana wanga omwana akwende simana mutero data omwana tubikubeho iro kumutera oyaki
abana obwire bwo abazaire bagamba no bagamba leko omwana amanya ino obwire bwakanga kurora TV
exactly bari kusanga omwana akora TV mpaka musanjuze kiro agikera nyenki yakara mpaka saa musanjuze kiro omwana bagaruka isomere bintu ebibakugamba baticha omwana bintu akabiyegera
na movie agenda following asam kaga
kind at some point it affects the kids concentration at school because trust me whether you want or not obore move okagirika hagati part 2 you understand hati kabekani baturano bekabalinze part 2 ya kitagazi kawata kuga mu burango you understand so you're always eager to know what is the next move or what have they spoken you understand so abazaire learn to limit your kids on what to watch and at what time are they supposed to watch and when are they not supposed to watch and actually make your kids busy at some point omwana okuba humwire leko mwana yogie bintu leko mwana yege ngubasaha compound in a slasher you understand mwegesembo omwana oboyo omwana omwojo or supposed to kora kino omwana omwisiki you're supposed to clean your room however much made a but engage your kids at some point you understand let your kids only watch the TV be on social media muja kufuna ebizibu mugambe nyo vivinka bagamba you understand so
nikiyo kingamba ganti bire bibugenda no hura no sangambu atimbu kankagambire mbu omwana arepingire jajjawe because at some point in a movie abaina arora and omwana we na bintu byokwe nkabasayija tibigira myaka onza kana katorora nyeki akarakakozereke ato mwana akuba ne myaka 13 nagamba bitumbwenege so meaning any woman so when ekyakutoza kwenda kukora kikurora bibabita so because omwana okumuhereza that obwire bwokora kikurore TV akamanya kinu kigenda hano and another thing ekingwa nagamba
menya bazairo kusanga omwana moji okumeta muto no mujulira mu maisha
I know
tikirino okujura amabandi mwino busingo room abana kubyama hansi haiguru mukutoka mukoraki omwana nakwata kulinguza kurora ise hati nawe nagamba kine kintu kikumanyisa ki abana numbuha that curiosity that agenda gambe kinu bakikora kita abaki there is a time tukaba tuina hatuli mama na ndo mwana agamba baitu mami wachure kiro like
you can imagine
yes akakibaza but kana kato ko nikagamba mama wako abakuba mama wakaka nakagamba chulera na ndo yamugamba nawe churaki
kiro okura muri mwana kuswaza
omwana oina okumuhereza that time kukwata katekereza baki mama wanga soundinga at in the night abakidadu wange murora ali haiguru you know you can understand iwe ko muntu mukure kinkumanyisa mama wange baikarani barwane kiro chonkana barora nyenki akanumukera muri happy okura so omwana numuteka in that thing owokuwena kasingo rumo kawe tingenda kujumira mbiwe na singo rumu yawo tingambira bana bawo bayihemu chonkana imwino mulingo mu respecting mu manyemba bana banu bakukura omwana we myaka 3 biro binakuba kuzire
ego
omwana ine kintu kya kugamba no gamba kikanda ati no buhangwa abazaire tugendaga kandi hala aborora biro bino obuhanga mali abantu bakubweba no sangole omuzaire narolera kimu hakid butamanya rulimi rwe na rakiri class butamanya rulimi
rwe
omwana wange tebe tabimanyire abazarujunguru please come you know abana baitu bona bali in good schools orujungu bakurumanya baitu no mwana mwegeso rulimi
wabo
mwegeso rulimi rwabo amanye kibakubaza kinu bakumanyisa kiti nyowe personally nkasoma in that obuwahura gani bagamba oba katugambe omusana gurugaye sazinga nogena nokiteka munyuma omusana guru baitu gurugaye sazino saa musanje nogama musanje ekuba one no oine mulingo ku interpreting ebintu bya orunyoro nurukuyamba kumanya orujunguru kumanyisa kino baza no kigana niyo mother tongue nkyo kuro baba gani batwegesa bakugambaga ekikopo bakiyeta bata mu rujungu kwijuka izambu it's a cup but then mu rujungu bakiyeta bata so nawe sanga bazaire tumwe kwenda bana banyu bamanye their mother tongues hati nawe sanga omwana muteire more dembera za ekize ekijungu it's okay mwana kumanya rujungu and speaking the English but then abana mbaikirize harolo osanga abantu bandi kuroro abana bawo babazo runyoro na
They are too local.
basomera nka they are local bakubaza orunyoro bakoraki. But no, it's not that way. Itwano rujungu turumanyire, but we use our mother tongues to keep we how that we are learned and we know English. Kura. So abana mbateke mukiri nti omwana nawe leka abaza olulimi lwe. Omwana leka amanye kinu. Omwana mwegese mbu obukama bubabuti. Alo omwana okusa kwemera okahabuza mbu like akulira kingdom ya bunyoro bamweta bata atakimanyire. Oh, they know that is a king. Tamanyire mu runyoro bamweta bata.
Omukamba bamweta bata, you know.
Bamweta bata. So alehe ebintu bindi nkabazaire nanyo ebimwina kuleka abana banyumba manye. Because sometimes ogenda gano ofuna omulimo nibakwabuzo manyire endimi zinga. Kinunki yes, personally tubairo ntukozesebwa. So nororambu you've gone for an interview and to some extent bakwabuza omanyire endimi zinga. Nogamba omanyire rujungo, omanyire runyoro, omanyire rugando, omanyire runyankolo, like nororambu yo bagenda kwereza muno like percentage yawe mbu hata agenda gamba I know English
only. But then you're not wakuoleki ambu nurwamanyire na mabata ya
because at some point wakuba olinka, let's say hospitality industry alagenda kuja tamanyire ki rujungu na abazorunyoro na abazoruganda orundi hokolera kwasire ngenda nkolera iganga tinyira rulimi na rumanyire bati mungu bamanyire nko ruganda halo rundi nekigambo kyo runyoro kingenda kubaza alinganga kakikenga mbu wano bagudde mbu kwaha naga
kwa means
neda oine kintu kyo kumanya chonka nyo abazaire mukifoire that you know omwana wao butamanyira kimu any other language apart from English. It's something that is going to make them, you know, feel omwana wawe wa haigura and all that. Kumba bana banyu mukubasisa that in that bamba jakwika kutozo mulimo language ina language barrier by the way no mulimitinga nagamba nyoti nsagenda kolera Buganda timanyire Ruganda bunyoro mbaze yoki Ruganda rwa mama kuona chonko kumusanga bakumweta sempija chonka wetamanyire gonze karuganda kati so ati na muntu akumuha omulimo naye sikamu nagamba yi omuntu onu bakumweta bamuine chonka taina kiamanyire kandi bamuine kibakiti
oboli bakumweta
ana gamba tona ta hakitaina nikia kuhura
identity yawe nayo neba inebuzabuza
nekindi abantu bandi gonze bali bakuru ogenda kwesanga oli bojo bana nyo mukutumanyira na bumanyira, let me say that omwisiki mubaire banywani no nagenda Kampala namara yonke myezi mukaga no muterera wanje kathe ogambo otya mwana gwe kanzire munyoro mukuzire nywena omweka Kampala
akafuka Kampala wamba
omweka Kampala olimo nyono bumbani nsura no bumbani baza runyoro rwange many times we have gone to Kampala numwebaliza mu runyoro rwanyu ogenda kwesanga wo kugura onaga yange ni munyoro wali wamaka
ndiko basindi
chonka no sango
and by the way they even get happy feeling so excited
gamba lo yagambire yangamba Kathy by the way it's so absurd that it's a family member oli yagamba baitu mwana ekasamanyire mbakubaire ni baba ihaini abatwara TV stations ndi baitu kibimu kubaza orunyoro. I was so disappointed that it came out of a family member's mouth whereby nyowe nkwimuki abunyoro. I'm not going to come here of course one thing I can appreciate that nyowe akansomesa nyamanyo rujungu kura so I can use English at any time at any point but wobu nkubaza orunyoro rwange nkwimuki abunyoro njyo kurora abo bona even different journalists in Kampala orabala na pano zabo bakubaza Ruganda so you mean what bamanyire mbu bali they can use their English because they are learned yes ekikubaita kase mubaza runyoro singa mwali numukozesa rujungo rwo Ruganda TV zindi ati nekindi TV yunkora abageta Kitara TV
ndo oli munyoro okaja promoting your language.
Yes, my language personally sakwesanga ntali munyoro oba Vivian tali munyoro oba omuntu wena tali munyoro baitu okulire mbunyoro your mother is a munyoro oba biki so nyina kwimuki obuhanga bunkulire mu buhanga bumanyire okura ngenda kwija ntandike kwikara panenu hano ntandike kutandika kubaza Ruganda naye bana mwe biki
era nawo kirora
bandola baganda banyimke ntwale ha TV zaabo tikigenda akora aino mugisa gwogenda handa jakora ajja kufuna no matter the type of language they are using so abantu leka tubege abaana baitu kino nkiterera muno tubege sendimi zaitu tabukuba no bora abakale oli muzairo tasomere because alaba zaire batasomere bambi narolera kimo mwana okubaza urujunguni kimu nikimusemeza
naba excited
mwana wange buli bunta mtando full figure mwana baba nabogera ne oluzungu banange banankoza se obabikibiki abana mukobogesa olujungu kikumunyumira but omwana wawe bwokuba oli muzaire ali land someone who has ever written an application obo bayiro mu interviews okarora kantako different omanyire language zingaha
you've already by the way I've done interviews
borabo kozera interview okimanyire it is a necessity kuba nibamanya omanyire language zingaha so iwe kinteke kikwegese mbu mwanange no matter the fact that bakubaza olujungu haisomero obwa kwikali kamugambe you know what actually ndetere kikopeki amanye ekyo baketa kikopo then coming iwe kyokwele mbwe actually bring me that cup no barahura no bazo orunyoro nagamanya ati mama kubaza biki
tabike
so let's try to encourage abantu kuyimukia culture yaitu eikaleho itikisa kuba mbegenda kuikalira like saku mbwe inakubera ho kimunti buli kimukiona tukikora nkabeira basireke ebindi bikaleho uko rulimi rwaitu abo kuba rulimi rwaitu that's how they identify us bakura ni bazo orunyoro namanya mali wa
that is your identity
yes so let's use it leka tukozesa olulimi lwaitu
so apointa y'abaana banyina kwongerezaho katiito era buli twakulaga tumanyire entebege ba ya daddy ekikopo kino kinywerwamu daddy ebikopo by'ebumba biba by'abagenyi baitu hati burobino omuntu bwakuroro yahwire ebikopo by'abagenyi akurolera kimoli mu nyakyaro
agamba lero ona ali mu nsiki
obwafata kabinywereiremu oketegeze kintu ekyo era bulo buyajaga abagenyi point ego bero gibalizo Vivian arwaka clip akanyabwe na TikTok aho bakani bakazana buzana obonu mama pesho obabikyao bakani bakazana buzana omwana akabayizira omugenyi aroho aho nyina omwana yaje yayimukyamo mugenyi mu ntebe ye nandi nyina yamugamba egyo ntebe yo omwana rugamu imagine bantu inye mali omugenyi hata omwana yatanika kusenseraki omugenyi ahire yakanta kusensera
abanda muterane kikopa kuterane
na kukatura na ndoli na mugamba boku muhakana na chura
muleke bayira
wale watu babazaho
bantu nyobutu kufa abana bagenda kulira nka
ajja kuikara nabo
bagenda kuikara
tumanyire kigenda
you don't know what will happen tomorrow so ebyo buhangwa bino but still tukusobora akolesa modernity no ku promoting ebya culture byaitu Tuirabulo butaga tusoma ha speech day habayoga manya kutere enyege kucheke cyo mugongo I don't know babiro binu bikyali
aba sports day no sango mwana wa kusamba runyege bikyali yo muno
ntingu culture tutuginagirize baite elimu but still no tukuba tuli modernized in a modernized way
nyowe ekikuongereza ale ekyo empako ikintu kimpake tukibazo I think buli muntu feeling so good omusajja kwesere aboli oba omukazi akwesere amoti so ekintu kiempako kino kinanakyo mwe kidefine ngama identity yawe empako yawe so you really feel like you feel heaven and earth you understand so no rambo omuntu agambe yes akiki ohura like omusajja nampaire omanya empaka ini namulingere miramu you understand
empaka omuntu wabano okungana amot come down
yakikofukire ina mani timanyira do you people realize amana gataha mu mpako leka mbaha magezi gabusa empako is so powerful empako is so respectful empako is something that defines I don't know everything good everything respectable everything beautiful everything handsome everything cute empako ijuri a lot of
kasemera
so I really feel good omuntu angambire aboli you understand abasajja amanyire aboli wange you know abasajja batali banyoro obani babaza runyoro kandi you know they love empako yaitu so nyowe I would wish or I would request empako omuntu bakweta empako it really defines your identity you can be in public and someone is like oboka bahasimu someone calls you like yes aboli abolo sibirota you know it really someone just like oh you I
bonze nara kujuma kutandika kwetu
yes that's your identity you understand
amoti mpulire binu iwe Kathe
kandi oina mulingo to around people's attention when like aboli you know it really defines
nkaito abajwara printed t-shirts obanura baba boda no bahura akeke and you feel happy
so you understand how sweet it is so nyowe
Pako yendezo kinagera
told like
baba nyenda kirabya abanyaga baligamba Kathe bintu
abyenda muno
so nyomba itakusa kuruga she nutabaze kintu kiempako bana inywe abantu babunyoro empako ina mulinga defininga mu omuntu ina mulinga iretamwe kitinisa ina mulinga kaminga mu down omuntu so you understand nyoka mbaka technique omusaijo mukazi wako batabukire muwetembe empako
nyala nyete empako
she will cool down mama will call down
atenkaita baikani bali batabogena mu office ko kasanga ali munyoroka moyete sempako norora na kwanguiza yangu hiza
nyo wata mumanye kiwa na kurabi ya onta sempako amoti
gaba no baba msajja tali munyoro okamuhereze empako
wangatamwa like amoti you've not greeted me amoti amoli you've not greeted me amoti so you guys abantu babunyoro leka to promoting identity yaitu leka to promoting culture yaitu leka tuleke kuramuki abantu okay you can say hi hello good evening how are you but it really sounds so sweet
abantu osanga abantu bandi no mugambo mwana wawe mpako atagira mpako umwana tomuhaire na mpako
you know how sweet it is okuba ne mpako
umwana omunyoro tomuhaire mpako
niye ku identifying identity y'omuntu niye kuleta mbu ono omuntu akuruga musindi bulisa kibale
munyoro
general ono munyoro you understand so na batoro nabaga bahura oli wanka oli wa hoima oli wa musindi so now munyoro are feeling a little bit by no working kandi nyo I've been watching this I've been so curious I've been so keen about this oboba mu bantu someone calls you like for example in Kampala oboli mu public any public place environment yotali ya bunyoro aboli people will like
ne baba surprise
they will get shocked they will look at you in that they even distract you from what you're supposed to talk on phone so bana nyu abantu babunyoro twegonze mu culture yaitu twegonze mu identity yaitu you understand so mwina mkiona kurabi yao batu to winding up with the show cause
tukusema busema abanyoro bataiba itu na abatali banyoro mwebale kutugonza esho ene pushingirwe tumazire mieze ingati nsobora kubaza baitu love egyo ebaire nyingi kandi eyeyongeroho
nyonkwe no kusema those who criticize timanyiro mu runyoro nkibazenta but you know criticism eno mlinge yongera kupushinga abantu ogenda criticizing show bikikumbo kuongera gipushi
kuongera abantu gienda girora you know
okusangola criticizing show kubata akanoba
I know
aina personal issues
tokwenda yani tokwenda Kathe so no esanga eshe kunyumire nikyo kuralo butubaza program no rabambi program etubalizo it cuts across endamo ekintu kye kutichinga abantu baitoli Nigerian in all things na commenting baite kamera kene bazokesa kubi baito ne binwa baito so no wesanga oli munyoro so ekingamba abaino mutima mubi ola muti yes nyombirora muno iwe no rugaki akiyokwega no baza okwegesa obani ngamba abana tukubaterera mukuterero hamuterere family zanyu so you people mwehame omutimo
people have out of hate you guys have out of hate
iwo boko point otagendeze harage nikyo kuravuga oli alaba comment ngamwe bale kwegesa alafunire mu point okura so banti nyamuleke go no mutimo gobe kandi muleke kwarana abamutamanyire you know actually, most people
so far actually abasinka babiri abangambire they have started up of small business because of Taragaus.
I know
that is great.
Babagamba omuntu nakugamba stop criticizing nyo alona abantu bandora you criticizing people's work omuntu ogya kugayoga manyale nakora kino manyo nakora kino manyo na aloya turangire you know ale manyo ola akora kino you know but stop criticizing akantu katito nkakakora ki akakurolera family ye stop criticizing people mutamanyira abantu ababale enyuma
nyogo mweta secret fun
I know the small business you're talking about yomuntu akutaya oberinka that is something abantu inyo it's not easy gonze kubaha mulimo ni bakukozesa obani banka okagubaho
bani nikiwagambire iwe if you can look like that, no, you may know about the Kitara girls.
know.
You guys, you really admire us. You
I
want
know.
what we do. You love what we do. You even want the position we are in right now.
Yeah.
But you forget we have different lucks. My luck is not your luck.
Yeah.
You understand?
Arohaya ngambire. I think I was in the salon doing nails. Mbu akahura my voice actually. Yangamba. Inye mubaza abufumbo nye bafumbo.
I know. You know one thing, by the let's clarify on that. No, let me talk about something.
I'll slap someone one day.
No, the kankirete. Have you ever seen a virgin who calls their mother for directions?
No.
Really. Why would she?
Na boyfriend over something. Does she call the mother?
Really.
So tubaza kintu osakusanga oli tali mufumbo oba biki. And it's not even marriage. Abantu tubana abantu baitu tikirigama mutukatweirwe hempeta oba kiki something like buli omu munsi munaba n'omuntu nikyo kulosanga nabararu. I've seen videos abararu ni barubatahamu like buli omagira amusimire. So iwo bwokuruga kagamba abantu bakubaza abintu bino batali bafumbo. We have grown up with married people
and
married
even the society
jira married people. Personally, business yange is wama abakazi. You know, and you meet different women. We have parents tuboina abakazi abakuchura mbufumbo. So bambi, you people stop commenting with hate. And another thing, nyongamba munabantu nyobanti nkigamba ngamba munabantu, silence is the best weapon. Kino nkigamba not everything
goes where necessary, but I always
it's okay, but nyongamba abantu ale ekintu kyotamanyire, don't comment on it. Bokusanga abantu bali mu ntaro otaine kyomanyire, just keep quiet. Not everything goina kigurukira. Nyo personally ebintu bintasa kubazawo, because I feel silence is the best weapon.
No, ogo abaino muntu mo wakuhitinga
murungi chonko bwayasama kubaza nasisa okura. So abandi munyuma muchuleire. You know, some of you are best when you kale muzoka kurungi muchuleire. Wogenda kutanika kubaza nobaza rundi, you know, ebintu ebitakwija. So bantu nyomongere kutugonza abantu ba Masindi, mwongere kutusagika mwebale kutugonza abantu ba Masindi, abantu ba Bigando. Bambi ndekeki ni nyongera kusima moto wange Grace, mama wange nkwenda muno, Karo wange my best bojo Kara yenda muno Kitara banti nyomongere kusima Karo. Karo loves Kitara, loves Kitara girls producer kareka na kutumira ale ninywena bambi. So mwebale kungonza abantu ba Masindi, mwebale kusupporting Kitara girls, those who comment with love, aba commenting with hate. With time jakwa adjusting.
They will heal.
Okay. You know abantu bona
they do that.
They have childhood trauma.
But they have time to heal and
they
you know
heal.
Change. Buli omo mherezo bwire bwokuhinduka, you know.
Okay, nyonkwenda kusima abanywani bange bona, aba diehards bange bona, abala here, and by the way my diehards bali na mu Uganda balimu banakusinga bali Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Qatar, Canada, USA. So you guys mwebali kungonza nkwenda kusima my family. Ever since scandals in Zatandikiro, my family has been so supportive. My dad is like, are you okay? My mom is like, are you okay? My mom, you understand? So you guys, my man, daddy. So you guys, thank you so much for loving me. Thank you so much for not giving up on me. Thank you so much for supporting the Kitara girls. Thank you so much for loving each and everyone. And guys, spread love and do away with hatred, because at the end of that day, hatred doesn't bring food on your table, and it doesn't. You keeping your hatred on me, man, that's bullshit. Because I'll still live and breathe. As long as you know the air that I breathe, I'll still do that drama and I'll give you the headache. Otherwise, keep following the Vivis collection, keep following Alain, keep following Kathy, keep following Julius. Don't forget to subscribe Kitara TV on YouTube and Kitara TV on TikTok. So nkwana kubasima mwebale halimu tukatandikire, mwebale abaikairo. Thank you so much you guys for loving us. Mwebale kutugonza, mwebale kusubscribing, mwebale kuikarao. It has been nice catching up with you from where we started up to the end. See you next time.
Kitara TV, kwegesa kumanyisa.